My name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our new 2025 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Dun, and this is the 304 SR travel trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Alright, starting up front, you've got two 20-pound propane tanks, an electric tongue jack, diamond plate rock guard. There is a battery disconnect switch up front here on the right side. Spot for a battery. On-demand hot water heater is right over here with the outside shower and freshwater and city water connections. You do also have a black tank flush and cable hookup on this side. Sewer outlet right down below there is dual axle, blacked out rims. 3 slides total on the 304 SR. Overall length on this travel trailer is 38 feet 11 inches. Spare tire with the cargo rack on the back. Also has the backup camera built in. Outdoor kitchen on this side, which has the pull-out grill, ice maker, sink, nice cabinets, and then big refrigerator. LP quick connect line is down below, and then you also have a leash latch for the dog. Hook up the leash. Outside speakers. There is a second electric awning with LED lighting here. And then here is your main awning right above the entry door with LED lighting. You do have the solid steps, 4 steps going up into the unit. Big window on this side. Here's your front storage. And as we head in, you've got a couch dinette slide, U-shaped dinette. I've got that down in bed mode right now. Nice blue LED accent lighting. Center island kitchen. Tons of storage in the center island. Lots of drawers. 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator and freezer. More countertop space, 3 burner with a microwave, which does have convection and air fryer settings. And a pantry right to the left side of that. This model does also have the hidden pantry right behind the TV. So tons of storage there. That just locks in right here. Fireplace down below. And then along this wall right next to the entry door, you do have a coat rack. We'll head towards the back. And then you've got a massive bunk room, so couch down below, which will fold down into a bed, and then a flip down bunk up above that. There are USB ports on the top and bottom. Huge window in the back, and then more storage for coats and a ladder to get up to the 3rd bunk. There is also a spot for a TV with all the hookups right there, and then you've got more storage here. So tons of space for the kiddos back here. We'll head up front. Your main control panel is to the right of the entry door. So that's got all your lights, your slide out buttons, your awning button. Bathroom has a large sink, storage down below, medicine cabinet with a mirror, and then really big shower with skylight and fantastic fan. Toilet there. And we'll head into the master bedroom. So, camper king up front, so just a little bit wider than a queen. Storage up above and alongside the beds. You've got outlet USB on this side, and then you actually have a inverted outlet on that side, so that'll run 110 power off the battery if needed. Spot for a TV along that wall there, and then more clothing storage. This is really deep. I'll do one more walk around of the whole floor plan for you guys. This camper is just under 9,000 pounds dry, and again it's 38 feet 11 inches overall. Tons of sleeping space, tons of storage. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center. If you're interested in this new 2025 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Den 304 SR travel trailer, call or text at 218-229-7816. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.